What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Kicking things right along now, we've got the new Pitaka Tactile woven case for the S25 Ultra. Just recently I've been using the Ultra Slim. Been using this pretty much since the last video went out. Absolutely loving this case, but now this will be going away to make way for one of these. Let's jump in. We've got the Moonrise and we've got Sunset. Let me know which one is your favourite, because I know they've been doing these for a while now. The Moonrise has always been my favourite. I used it for the iPhone, the Z Fold 6, and now I'm going to use it for the S25 Ultra. I think I used it for the S24 as well, but not for long. Let me know which one's your favourite out of the Sunset and the Moonrise. Let me know which one's your favourite. But let's just go ahead and get them both out. So, there we go. So there is the Moonrise. And this one is Sunset. So there we go. So I'll just show you quickly around the boxes. You've got the new Pitaka logo on the top. Shows you what the case looks like on both. Tells you it's woven from aramid fibre, and one's Sunset, one's Moonrise. If you flip them over, Ultra Slim for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Pitaka logo, and then aramid fibre, light and durable, scratch resistant, MagSafe compatible, slim and light. So there we go. There is the two cases. Which one would you go for? Me, I'm more drawn to this one over this one. Both nice, but this is just more me. This is just, I don't know, it's nice, but it's just not my style. This is more what I would go for. Well, let me know which one you would go for in the comment section. Let's see what they weigh. So 28 grams. So compared to the Ultra Slim case, the Ultra Slim is 26 grams. So these are a little bit heavier, because these are obviously tactile woven compared to the actual Ultra Slim. If we slap in the S25 Ultra, so you go in, same as that one, you go into the volume and power button side first, and then if you put it down now, it's 257 grams for this case. So that's the Sunset case with the phone inside it. As you can see, it shows off this side of the phone right here, same as the Ultra Slim. And I mean, they do look really, really similar in style, in what they offer. Obviously one is called the Ultra Slim versus the tactile woven case, so obviously the woven is a different material compared to this style right here. Camera's nice and recessed into the housing, so you don't have to worry about it. So you can place it down like so. Now I do have a screen protector on this, but as you can see, it has ultra raised lips running onto each corner, so you can go ahead and place them down face side up and not have to worry about them neither. So there is a screen protector on this. There's a privacy one on this right now. If you haven't seen that, that's up here. Let me know what you think. There is the Sunset. Let's go ahead and slap on a MagSafe power bank. Now, when you slap them on, I've said this before and I'll say it again, where the camera housing meets, because it's a square power bank, it won't sit flush, it will sit off. So when you do stuff like this, it's not going to come off, but it's fairly easy to pull away. But however, if we bring in the Nomad base stand, which is super heavy, and we slap it in, slaps in well, it's now charging, but lifts it up, no issues, it's fully charging, and there's no worries about it sitting on that camera housing neither. So again, there's no worries of it sitting on that camera housing, it will fully charge, and the magnets are really strong in these too. So if we take this one out, and I'll show you the Moonrise case, and there is Moonrise with the phone in. So as you can see, phone sitting inside there, but exactly the same as the Sunset case, just in a different colour. Looks really good. So I know which one I would be choosing, but which one would you go for out of these two? Let me know in the comment section down below. But there is the Sunset. Let me just show you the bottom piece. So the S Pen sits in nicely, and indented into this part right here is your speaker, and then your mic and charge port are actually like sort of open at the bottom right here, and nothing else. Your mic at the top is also open as well, but not as like open as the side piece is and the bottom piece right here. So let me know what you think of these two in the comment section down below. Is tactile woven something that you would consider going for? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Plenty more videos still to come with the S25 Ultra. Stay Stay tuned because I ain't stopping yet.